Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Of our mandatory spirit that they call the Mirror and the Sun, two of them, now they are seeing this news, they call it tell us say William Saliba they unwilling to sign Arsenal new contract, as Marcel said they also monitor the situation. So why William Saliba no one sign a new contract? But the fear say he no go get game time for Arsenal when they come. That is what we are talking about. The pedigree of Marcel is not the pedigree of Arsenal. The guy already the fear. You get, if you are confident in yourself, after all you want the young player of the year in Ligue 1. If you are confident of your abilities, you are confident of yourself in the EPL, come now, come sign the contract, challenge Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White. It be sure for you. Don't be say that they fear, they be like chicken. So Arsenal now they consider alternate options like, shey whether make they sell this guy, I been made them go leave him, you know, because he has 2 years left on the contract. Whether he sign, whether he no sign, you go spend your 2 years here. You get, so you know say the guy mind dey for that Marcel, because for Marcel is a king. He don't come up for where he be king, he don't come for where he be mere normal person, a normal individual. You get, so he has to prove his mettle, he has to prove himself. Now what the Gala self talk, you get, Gala say this guy no expect say as because he be king for where he did, he just come in and just put him, give you that kingship status. No, it's not going to be like that. You have to fight for every minute of gameplay. I'm talking of gameplay, the guy go see gameplay. Don't even say no go see gameplay. Europa League did there. You get, there is no way Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White go play the whole season. You go still get your chance to come shine. And if you enter, if you play well, I trust. See, get what I trust Ateta for. If you give you chance and you enter and you play well, surely you go continue. So all this time they talk say no one signs and saying they fear one thing. And our another monitoring spirit for French football, what they call Get French Football News. And then first break the news to see what they saw. So then get one scoop that one of the journalists Mohammed. Then first break the news. As in break them before all those the Mirror, the Sun, do they for UK. They can't reiterate the thing, can't break them also, can't give attribution to Get French News. So I never know how all this one is up. But whether I like him or yes, the guy get 2 years left on the contract. I don't say now Marcel go they put fire for him bomb. He let him know say no sign, make them sell it to us, no sign. Because don't say, well, I never know sha, more just they see how things they suck, more just they watch. According to David Einstein and Fabrizio Romano, they come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they work with Man City to get a new deal, make them sign Zinchenko Alexander. You know say this guy na Man City player. I even come do my research. You know say before I tell una talk say the guy no play up to 25 games. Actually, in fact, as I do my research, the guy only played 15 games last season. So the guy no dey get game time. Cancelo now they enjoy the game time. Well, that's maybe Cancelo get injury or something happen, they will come put in Zinchenko. So now the guy really won't move. And even Fabrizio himself went live yesterday when I watch him. So the guy they talk say one of the reasons why I make Man City won't sell him be say Man City won't sign Cucurella. So they won't sign Cucurella from Brighton. So that Brighton deal na Shola. So Man City now they are willing to let Alexander Zinchenko go. Arsenal said they're willing to buy the guy. The player said they're willing to move. That is why Arsenal they go for the deal. So and because Arsenal said don't lose Lisandro Martinez. So as they lose that one, Lisandro Martinez is a very, very versatile player. As Arsenal said they don't get that one, they can say okay, which other left back and versatile player will be signed? This guy can play 3 roles. He can play that Zinchenko. He can play a left back. He can play midfield. Then he can play left wing forward. That Martinelli wing. He can play there in front if needed. I know say if in the play midfield now, the person which one of them go to drag roll na Granit Xhaka, which is what we want. Granit Xhaka is too static. Guy no dey mobile. He gets too dey defensive. How many goals and assists does he make in a season? But if we have an Alexander Zinchenko in that role, really very, very fluid and mobile. Again, that is why everybody they pitch say make Arsenal make sure say them complete the deal. Once we complete the deal, they will be looking at maybe people like Yuri Tillemans or whoever striker will want to give, because we still need a striker. That one Shola. And talking about this Zinchenko, West Ham self don't come out and say then they highly interested. West Ham are pushing to sign him. But the problem between a West Ham deal and an Arsenal deal is that West Ham they plan to bring him to come and slot in their left back role, solely left back. But the guy said don't get tired of playing left back because left back is not his favorite position. The guy wants to play as a midfielder or as a left wing forwarder. So that's why Arsenal attraction they bring and say, oh yeah, come to Arsenal, because he knows if he's coming to Arsenal, he's not going to be the first choice left back. That solely belongs to Kylian. Then if Kylian don't get injury, which you expect him to get injury, because in the years when he don't stay for Arsenal, the guy don't miss 48 matches. I think he has stayed 5 years in Arsenal thereabouts. The guy don't miss 48 matches from the research I do. So imagine, and they miss key matches. Again. So every season, Ashola, the guy will get injured because of his blistering pace when they use the move. So any small body check in there, don't fly. Before you know, don't break your wrist, don't break your ankle, don't break this one. So that is why Alexander Zinchenko, they thought, okay, I will join you guys. It's either I join you and I'm playing the left back, or I'm playing the midfield or left wing forward. So I know, say, if Arsenal bring that proposal and West Ham bring that proposal, surely he's going to join Arsenal, because he has a compadre there in the name of Gabriel Jesus, and in relationship with Mikel Arteta, when Arteta be number 2 man under Pep Guardiola, but they're very key to bring him into the Emirates. So I'm not just watching that since the sub. Any way they go, I will let you know. I'm going to say 4 Spanish clubs now they show interest for Pepe, and one of them is Sevilla. Sevilla are interested in signing Nicolas Pepe, but the problem is that Sevilla they talking at £15 million they won't pay. Chai, Arsenal we don't suffer. How can we buy a player of £72 million and his value has been rubbished? And the people who won't buy him don't say that £15 million. Then they go feel afford. Can you imagine this? I don't know which kind of adjective will take qualifier. Can you imagine this kind of shit that they are giving us to eat? Well, now Arsenal they go know that they go feel just cut their losses, collect the £15 million, send them away, or still keep him, because we still have multiple competition, whether we like it or yes. The guy not too good, but whether we still give a shot. If na Europa League making the us they play, if na Cup making the us they play, I don't just know how it will be. I also not think we could recoup that £15 million. I don't still keep the guy on our books, make it still they play. But at the end of the year, the money we go pay and salary for calculator for the year, she no go pass that £10 million range. So what's that the end? And you know they play, they collect money. She will come out flush them out, collect money, then use the money, add more, go buy better player. I'm not let me know what's nothing. Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal still they interested in signing Sergio Gomez of Anderlecht. This guy is a left back. They won't sign him just in case. They don't they put and say just in case Zinchenko no work. Maybe Man City still won't keep him. Then they will go for Sergio Gomez. The guy is a Spanish player where they play for Anderlecht. The guy is a very nice player. So Arsenal don't get their 2 options. Say okay, Zinchenko, if you know work, Sergio Gomez go slot in. So I never know how it go, but I know say Arsenal will surely sign a new left back. We never sign finish. Now what I tell people, may I just calm down. By the time we go sign everything finish, go see say the team will make sense. We'll just calm down. Don't forget say we see the reason Grimaldo, Alex Grimaldo of Benfica. So we never know how all these things will go. Don't get 3 left backs now. Who will scam? So much of the watch as things they turn out. According to media food says, they can let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Moussa Dembele from Lyon. He's a striker. Because I don't tell them before say Arsenal still need another striker. You cannot go the whole season with the Gabriel Jesus and Edin Ketia. It's a no-brainer. It gets normal. We're supposed to get 3 strikers at least, unless you want to add Folari Balogun to the mix, which is not feasible. Or let's maybe they won't convert a Martinelli to a striker, which I don't think is ideal. So we need somebody else. We're going to watch our since they go sharp. Anyhow way they go, if you think they fruitful, I'm going to let you know. Lyon won't sell Awa. So they say anybody want buy Awa, maybe they come buy him ASAP. So they don't bring down the price to 15 million euros. So I never know whether Arsenal will still rekindle their deal with Awa. And another thing they say, not be say people know they come see they won't buy him. Other clubs they come from other leagues. But the problem now be say Awa won't go EPL. EPL is very attractive for him. So now EPL is saying one play, and the only EPL club where they interested in him before now Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur. Now Tottenham Hotspur don't strengthen their team. They don't really need an Awa. So Arsenal, I don't know whether we'll still go for him, because I don't just know. Once upon a time we were dying to collect this guy. Nah, the guy don't fall like a pack of cards. Really the reason the matter. Instead we won't sign in teammates, Lucas Paqueta. So I never really know how all these things is up. We'll just the watch. Don't forget say transfer, anything can happen. Deadline day, we just shock. Arsenal will just call him. How far? Fly over. Anything can happen. We'll watch. About the Sun self now come outside and let us know say Lucas Paqueta don't ask Lyon to reduce that fee so that he go join Arsenal. Say wetin dey sup? Say one comot here now. Which I be say na they put that kind of big money. Even Lyon president so they call Jean-Michel Aulas. They come outside and they talk say £55 million or nothing. So Papa they let them know say see, When I want sign me from AC Milan, man, I don't forget say I collected a pay cut to join you guys. You guys could not afford my salary. Now when we say a club don't want sign me now, why can't you reciprocate the good gesture I did for you guys? When we say I collected a pay cut, why can't you reduce the transfer fee so that me self I will enjoy that one self come out? Let it be 50-50. Don't be ungrateful. Baba the para. You don't say what me I do for now. When we see people, they don't say, this guy is a nice guy, he's a nice guy. Now, how much I collect for AC Milan? When I don't feel afford that, I reduce my money. Now, my own turn, let me say, I won't come out. I know there's nothing there for me now. I know European League, so now French League 1, I will play every year. They play Monaco, play Clemens, play all those kind of shit packaging. That's what I want to play for my life. Come on now. So I need to move. So they don't argue, so I never know. But the president, Jean-Michel Aulas, they say, almost 55 million pounds or nothing. And the same, this is the president, is a very one kind man. Now, this same thing in do for our when Arsenal one side, our when our the odds. Say 55 million pounds, 60 million pounds, this and that. Now, look at they are begging us to come and take our for 50 million euros because the guy don't fall like a pack of cards. Because the guy don't see his teammates. Because that time the guy they hot now with Memphis Depay. They give Depay assist anyhow. They can't say Depay. The guy can't vex. You know, see his friend again. He can't get unhappy. Nah, he don't fall like a pack of cards. They won't do the same thing to Lucas Paqueta. Paqueta knows now when they hot, he got move because if they play only league, nobody go listen your matter. Nobody will receive for European stage. And so you know say it is now or never. So Baba they beg the Lyon hierarchy say I beg reduce this money. Now if you say Arsenal they reason me. I know all those teammates like all those guys Gabriel Martinelli, Marquinhos, Gabriel Jesus, Magales. They go around the corner and say, hey senior man, speak one kind Spanish or whatever language they speak. Say, come join us for here, my nigga. Come join us here. We could scatter things for EPA. Come join us. So I never know how this thing they go. Anyhow, this Paqueta deal they go, I will let you know. According to the Independent, they can let us know say Arsenal they're willing to listen to offers for Gabriel Magales, but the offer has be something above 50 million pounds. 50 million pounds and above. Now they go listen. And me, I know say it not gonna be 50 million pounds. That one I just talk, Jerry. Now maybe one pundit where you speculate, or one journalist where you speculate to give you an opinion. Arsenal cannot sell Gabriel Magales unless the offer is tempting, because the truth of the matter is every player has a price, every player has a buyout clause. So that kind of 150 million pounds, that is the only way Arsenal go fit sell the guy. We fans no go revolt. You get players where you know if you sell. Some players are unsellable. You can't sell them. If you sell them, don't scatter your structure. You are setting yourself backward. So there's no way Arsenal will sell Gabriel Magales. So anybody they really say they want to sign up, like Juventus where they dream, they're just dreamers. They're dreaming. So let them continue dreaming. And my even CBS Sports now come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they confident say they go buy Lucas Paqueta. Say nothing they saw, you get. See they go buy him. But I just hope say this confidence they true. And so then they confidence say they go buy Lisandro Martinez. Though I don't blame them for that one, because now Eric Ten Hag now scatter everything you get. If there's no be say Ten Hag be Man U coach, Arsenal go sign that nigga. Now the loyalty between the coach and the former player, and I just scatter everything. So this Lucas Paqueta, as of now, nobody don't really come out and say that they follow us drag the guy apart from Newcastle. And I don't say the guy go back when Newcastle come join us. If now only our two, unless another super big weight come outside the hand, now I go no so go upon the fear. But as of now, nothing they saw. This guy Shola, if they reduce that price, they will join us. Our Birmingham City self don't the rush say they want sign a trusty will be Arsenal player on loan. This guy, like that player who signed from Colorado Rapids from America. The guy na centre back, 6'3". So the guy normal I will get surplus players for centre back. So if he come, he go to deceive himself. He no go see game time play. So Birmingham the beggars now, so they can give them the guy on loan. You get, so that they go feel groom the guy for us developer. So I never know whether Arsenal will approve their request. Any way they go, I will let you know, because many people don't even ask me say how fast I choose trusting coach who will sign. I will not sign him again. Where in day? The guy did. The problem is say he no get plans. I think I no get plan to play next season. You get, the guy gas find a club when he go out on loan to groom and play more. Then maybe next season or next 2 seasons he go come play for us. Any way they go, I will let you know. So if you don't watch today's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I came out.